Assalamu alaikum and thank you so much for watching us. Today I'm going to share with you a very important topic, our country, the book fair. So you can see one of the best speaker of our language club, Hamid Bhai. So Hamid Bhai will describe our book fair, and already know that Bisheshwar Kendra is organized amazing book fair in Bogura city. So today the Hamid Bhai will try his base level how can describe the book fair. So let's begin the program.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Please everybody at first take my salam and love. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are well. I am pretty good by the grace of Allah. I am really pleased to come here in this beautiful afternoon because it's really lovely place. Here environment is so beautiful. I feel so good to come here. There is no doubt a good chance for me because I never come here in such an environment. So I'm really lucky to come here. Actually, book fair is an part of education. It helps helps us broaden our kingdom of knowledge. I think book fair forms the habit of writing, reading, buying and taking care of books. So it's very important fair for every people. If someone comes to the book fair, they will be habituated to it. So it's very good side for book fair. I want to say book fair has significance. Book fair reminds us that books are our best companions. They always our sides, and when we are in danger, they change our outlook on life and witness our domain of knowledge. So it's really important for our life, and books helps us to forget jealousy, malice and superstition, and books ultimate man's friend, and books turn to people real men, and books helps the people to build for good character and develop thought power. So I think book fair is a very important part of our life. All kinds of books available at the books fair. Every people can buy the books of his choice, but it is not possible at other times. So really it's very important for our peoples and for every peoples. I think every students and every educated people should visit a book fair. At last, I want thanks Bishwa Sahitya Kendra for hosting a important and beautiful book fair. If they will come again, we will be happy. No more today. Thank you so much for having patience. Everybody stay well, stay good, stay healthy. See you again. Bye bye.